Assalamualaikum and good morning, and my name is Nasir K. Gibonin. My topic is all about storytelling. So, storytelling is the essence art of conveying narratives, experiences, and emotion through the use of words, image, and gestures. It's a powerful tool for communication that captivates audiences, fosters connections, and inspire actions. Whether in sharing personal anecdotes, cultural myths, or grand narratives, storytelling has the ability to engage, entertain, and leave a lasting impression on listeners. One example of the power of storytelling is the success of companies like Apple. Throughout their marketing campaigns and product launches, Apple doesn't just sell products, they tell stories about innovation, creativity, and human connection. The iconic Think Different campaign, for instance, featured stories of trailblazers and visionaries who challenged the status quo, inspiring audiences to embrace their individual and pursue their dreams. In personal context, storytelling can create bond between individuals by sharing experiences, values, and emotion there in recounting a childhood adventures, reflecting on a life-changing moment, or simply sharing a funny anecdote. Storytelling builds empathy and understanding among people. For instant image, someone sharing a story about their struggle with overcoming adversity and achieving success by opening up about their challenges, setbacks, and triumphs. They not only inspire others to persevere in the face of obstacles, but also create a sense of connection and solidarity among listeners who may have faced similar struggles. In essence, storytelling is a universal language that transcends cultures, generations, and backgrounds. It allows us to make sense of the world, sharing our humanity and create meaningful connections with others, whether in business, education, or every life. Mastering the art of storytelling can be a powerful for communication and influence. So yun lang po, and thank you.